we have here, a little late, but we're here. What if changing it to 100 doesn't work? Because it doesn't always work. I mean, when it does, it's super easy. But if it doesn't work, you're going to divide. Okay? You're going to take your fraction and you're going to divide. Does anybody know what number goes inside my division box?
100. Oh. 375. 4.
Your top number.
Oh.
Okay? So 3 goes inside. What number goes outside? Your 4. Your bottom number goes outside, okay? So your top number goes inside, your bottom number goes outside. No matter which one's bigger, smaller, whatever, that doesn't matter. Your top number will always go inside, your bottom number will always go outside, no matter what. And yes, you're going to do long division. Okay, does 4 go into 3? No, hence the 0. Then what do I do?
Add small 0.
Yep, now I have 30. How many times is 4 going to 30? 7. That gives you 28. Remainder 2. Add another 0. Bring it down. How many times is 4 going to 20? 5. That's how you get 0.75 using long division. Because does this always work? No. So we have to rely on long division. Yes, long division must be done in 7th grade. Right. But I've seen some of your homework.
Do now tomorrow.
You guys hate each other. All right. All right. 3/8. No.
I still have something.
Yeah. Don't turn the page. If
Supposed to write all that down?
Yes.
yes. Whatever I write, you write. You never know when I'm going to ask you for a picture of your notes for like 1,000 points.
Which you probably are.
Yes, especially when I hear a kid. Oh, I'm supposed to write that down.
I like the sarcasm.
I'm not being sarcastic.
If I write, you write. Because guess what? I know this is shocking to you, but I'm not writing this for myself.
Whoops.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
I hate to break it to you,
I've been writing down.
but I already know this. I know. I know you know it, but you're still writing it down. Because I'm writing it down. We're all writing this down, and we're happy about it. All right. Can you do the easy way here?
No, because it's an 8.
Yeah, so 3/8, can I set it equal to 100?
No.
You can't. Sad. So if you've just relied on that, that's not always going to work. I mean, when it does work, oh my gosh, use it because it's so much easier. So when we have this and we can't do the 100, we're sad about it because we're going to end up doing long division. So we set up our division problem. What number goes inside? 3, the top. Very good. What number goes on the outside? 8. Now, I know a lot of you fear long division. It's not going to get easier until you just keep trying, making those mistakes, just doing it over and over again. And then eventually it's just going to go click in your brain, and it's going to be fantastic. All right, does 8 go into 3? Nope. So we put a 0. Write this down. And then another decimal and another 0. So it becomes 30. Okay? Notice that the 0 goes on top of the 3 right here. The decimal goes right after it. Okay? How many times does 8 go into 30?
3.
Because 3 times 8? 24. Remainder 6. Now what?
You add another 0.
Another 0. Now you have 60. How many times does 8 go into 60? 7. 7 times 8? 56. Remainder 4. Add another 0. Bring it down. 8 goes into 40. 5. Yes, it's called long division.
Because it keeps going until you run that out.
Yeah. You want to end up with zeros, right? Or 3 numbers. So as soon as you hit 3 numbers or you hit 0, you're done in this class. Okay. So our decimal is 0.0 0.375, right? That's our decimal, right? That's the answer we got when we did long division. 0.375. Okay, cool. Now, how do I change this into a percent? Two times to the right. But there's three numbers. Nope. You think of deep. So this is your decimal. How many E's are there? 2. So how many times do you move it? 2. No matter if you have one number, 3 numbers, 15 numbers, always move it twice. And now we're going to move it to the right 2 times. So if I have 0.375, I'm going to move my decimal 2 times, a 1 and a 2. So what is my percent? 37.5%. Woo! Fun times, huh?
Definitely not.
I mean, part of this you should know from 6th grade. Maybe you didn't get the ones that were involved a lot more long division. Maybe that's new. Okay. Maybe it's not. I don't know. All right. Here we go. We're good? All right. You want an easy one?
No. Yes.
All right. 2/5. 2/5. 2/5. Do you want to do it the easy way? You can do it the easy way, or you can do it the long division way.
No thanks.
You don't have to turn the page when I turn the page. That's 6th grade. Just fill up all of your spaces. In 7th grade, you're on your own on which page you're on, but just fill it all up. Fill it all up. All right. Do it the easy way.
I already forgot.
Then do the long division. The easy way is when you set it up equal to 100. That's the easy way. The hard way, which always works, is to do long division.
That's easy though.
I know.
No, please. I'd rather do it easy.
Easy way doesn't always work though.
Easy way.
Then we do it easier way.
All right. So what do we get?
20%.
So this is times 20 times 20, so that's 40. So it'd be 40%. If I do here, 5 goes into 2 0 times, add my decimal. 5 goes into 20 4 times, so my decimal is 0.4. Now, is 0.4 the same thing as 40?
Yes.
Yeah, because how many times do you have to move it? 2 times. What do I end up filling this empty space with? 0, right? So you end up still getting the same answer. It's just the way you want to do it. Do you want it long division or set it equal to 100? Again, setting it equal to 100 doesn't always work. Okay. Do you guys, I'm hoping I don't see this year, but you know. Do you see how your fraction is 2 over 5? Does your answer have a 2 or a 5 in it? No. 99% of the times, your fraction numbers are not in your answers. Okay? Why do I say that? Because I always see, you don't have to write this down. I see this from kids. Oh, it's 2/5. Oh, what's my decimal? 2.5. Why? Well, because there's a 2 and a 5, Miss Amelie. And I'm like, no. No, okay, what is it? It's 0.25. Why? Well, because there's a 2 and a 5 in there, so don't we just add a decimal? No. So don't be that kid. Don't be that kid that goes, oh, 2 over 5? Oh, it must be 2.5 or 0.25. Our answer for 2 over 5 is 40% or 0.4. None of these, the 4 is not even in this, all right? So 99% of the time, the numbers that are here are not here, okay? So keep that in mind. Don't be this kid. Don't be this kid. Don't be that kid. Here's an easy one. 1/2.
No, that one's super hard.
What is 1/2?
50%.
Oh, 50%.
Yeah,
Good, good.
0.5.
You'll yeah.
1.2.
I know.
Has to do with
No, you don't.
Half of anything.
so no math at all.
This one you should have memorized. Kind of like 3/4. I would hope that some of you had it memorized, but you know, one can only hope. 50%. The 1/2 you should know. Do you know which ones I expect you to know? I expect you to know obviously 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, and I expect you to know the 5s. The 1/5, the 2/5, the 3/5, the 4/5. I know. But you should know 1/2. What's 1/4?
25% and then point.
All right, write that down for reference. 0.25 and 25%. We already did the 3/4, 1/2, 1/4, 2/5. What's 1/5? Does anybody know what 1/5 is? And it doesn't have a 1 and it doesn't have a 5. 20. 0.20.
Wouldn't it just also be 0.2?
Yeah. So think about it. If 1/5 is 0.20 and 2/5 is 0.40, what would 3/5 be? 60. This is why I want you to memorize it, because they go in order. And so what would 4/5 be?
80.
Yeah. Do you guys see the relationship? So you have, these are the ones I believe you should memorize by the end of 7th grade. 1/4 is 25. 1/5 is 20. 2/5 is 40. 3/5 is 60. 4/5 is 80. So when your 8th grade teacher goes, hey, what's 1/5? You go, oh, it's 20. 0.20 or 20%. Do I expect you to memorize 7/8?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. It's good. All right. Let's get ready to go because I got to give you your homework.
That was fast. That was quick. Yeah, but we're going to be 7 right fast. Oh yeah, everyone saw this too. I mean, yeah. Oh, that's right.
We gave you some long division.
I just said take me out of the letter. I like Spanish.